What's up, kids? Technical. I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, I am recording on my OnePlus 12 using the dual view mode. I love this mode because it allows you to show what you are recording, and it allows you to show you at the same time. This is a feature that a lot of the Samsung devices already have, but I'm glad that OnePlus has this feature also. So as you can see, that you can see me, but you can also see the back, and I can flip this around if I really wanted to. You know, if I wanted my face down here on the bigger screen, I could do that. And if I wanted this view on the top, I could do that. And I can bring it up or down, and you can see everything that I am doing. You have it at 1x, 3x, so it can get zoomed in. 6x is even more zoomed in, but this is just a cool little feature to have. This is called dual view mode on the OnePlus 12. And like I said, I just really like this because you could be outside walking and talking and showing off what you need to show off. You can use it in any kind of angle and view if you want to. And I just really love and enjoy this mode on the OnePlus 12. So I hope you found this video useful. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.